Okay, so we got this brand new Blackstone butter roller product here that we found at Walmart. And I'll actually put a link down in the description for this product, but I'm pretty excited about it because we're making grilled cheese sandwiches today. If you haven't seen the grilled cheese sandwich recipe that I put out a couple weeks ago, definitely look that up on our channel because it's a 3-cheese grilled cheese and gotten a lot of good reviews on it. It's a great sandwich. But what's neat about this is on the grilled cheese, I had to spray each piece of bread with like a spray butter. This thing, I can wipe it on there and put it down. And what's cool is it's metal, so it can actually sit on the griddle. And then what I did is I just put like a stick of butter in the bottom, let it melt, and then I'm gonna roll these right over it. So I think it'll work out pretty well. Now, I want to let you know if this is helpful for you and you like this product, maybe you want to give it a shot. Give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate that. And leave us a comment. You know, if there's something you do, or maybe you've used the product, or maybe you know a different way of doing it, let us know. We read the comments. And the other thing is if these are kind of the videos you like the Blackstone products, you like knowing how to season them, maybe you like travel videos, you're at the right place because that's what we like to do. We like to post videos about that. So subscribe to our channel as well if you would. Really appreciate that. So just to jump right in, I have the bread here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe the bread on this right here. And what's cool is it buttered it up nice and easy, and I didn't have to go through a bunch of hassle. So works pretty good. Buttered it up, and so I'm going to put them on the griddle and make some grilled cheese.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.